beloved school directress, Mrs. Susan C. Pangilinan, to our Vice President for Finance, Mr. Anthony Pangilinan, to our Vice President for Operations, Mr. Mark Louis Pangilinan, to our Vice President for Academics, Ms. Maria Teresa Pangilinan Santos, to our Elementary Department Head, Ms. Lani D. Edades, to our School Principal, Ms. Elvira C. Rabago, and my class advisor, Sir Jasper I. Clinton. To all of our school faculty and staffs, proud parents and guardians, and fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, a blessed evening to everyone. Tonight is a memorable night for all of us. It marks a significant milestone in our lives as we gather here to celebrate the culmination of our journey. We have just ended an episode in our lives, elementary school. And now, we are going to start a new chapter of our life, which is high school. The knowledge and skills that we acquired at senior school are imperative roles for us to play society someday. It is an honor to be enrolled in senior school, and all the things I experienced since preschool until now is truly appreciated. The longer I stay here, the more I feel it is my home. Thank you very much for the warm welcome, St. Teresa's School. To our dedicated school administrators, thank you for unwavering commitment to our education, your boundless enthusiasm for our success. You have made a lasting effect on each of our lives, and we are forever grateful. We are the problem solvers who tackle challenges heads-on, and the organizers who plan events and activities that enrich our learning experience. But most importantly, the values of dedication, integrity, and compassion, inspiring each of us to strive for excellence in everything we do. To our school principal, you are more than just an administrator. You are a mentor, a leader, and a friend. From the moment we first stepped into this school and every flag ceremony, you greeted us with warmth and kindness, making us feel welcome and valued. Your dedication to our education has been unwavering, and your passion for fostering and nurturing learning environment has truly made a difference in our lives. Throughout our time here, you have inspired us to strive for excellence, to reach for the stars, and to never give up on our dreams. You have taught us the importance of hard work, determination, and perseverance, instilling in us the belief we can achieve anything we set our minds to. Thank you very much for that, Ms. LB. To our dedicated teachers and faculty members, the day we went into our classroom, they shared their wisdom and inspiration. They have not only imparted academic truth, but have also nurtured our curiosity, creativity, and critical thinking skill through their unwavering dedication, patience, and encouragement. They have instilled in us a love for learning that will long endure after we leave these halls. To our teacher, we owe our gratitude that can never be fully repaid. Thank you for believing in us, for challenging us to reach new heights. To the administrative staffs, students, and cafeteria workers, and everyone behind the scenes, thank you for your hard work, for creating a nurturing environment for us to thrive in. Your hard work sometimes goes unnoticed, but please know that every clean hallway, warm and well-organized events has contributed to our overall well-being success. Beyond the classroom, our school staff members shape our overall school experience. From the friendly faces in the front office who greeted us with smiles every day, to the custodians who work tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure our school was a safe and welcoming environment. Even though some of us are not that neat, but each and every member of the staff has contributed to our growth and development in their own unique way. To our parents, guardians, and families, your unwavering support, sacrifices, and unconditional love of our success. You have been our greatest champions, celebrating our achievements and providing comfort and guidance during moments of uncertainty. From the early morning school drop-offs to the late night study sessions, you are a steadfast allies. Every step of that, every step of the way, tonight, as we stand here of our new chapter in our lives, we thank you for unwavering commitment to our education and well-being. Classmates and friends, as we bid farewell to elementary school, we cannot help but reminisce about the countless memories we have created together. The mama shared recess, no, the friendship forged in the classroom, and the challenges overcome as a unified group. Each experience, whether joyful, bad, or challenging, has left an indelible mark on our hearts, shaping us into the resilient, compassionate individuals we are today. As we prepare to embark on our new adventures, let us carry these memories with us as a testament to the bonds we formed and the obstacles we have overcome together. To my best friend, wherever you may be among our peers, I want to take this opportunity to express my deepest appreciation for your presence in my life. From the moment we first met, you have been my confidant, my partner, and my source of endless laughter. Together, we have weathered the storms of adolescence, celebrated our triumphs, and navigated the twists and the turns of growing up. In closing, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to my fellow graduates on this dreaming achievement. May your futures be filled with endless possibilities, your hearts be filled with hope, and your spirits be cheered by the knowledge that you are capable of achieving greatness. As we bid farewell to elementary school, let us cherish the moments we have created, embrace the challenges that lie ahead, and seize the opportunities that await us with open hearts and minds. Once again, I am Ken Ernest Caballes, your consistent valedictorian. Thank you, and have a good evening, and have God bless us all. May this